Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so grateful that you spend your time here watching me setting up my bullet journal. And as for my January theme, it's gonna be Dreamy Wilderness, which is inspired by my dreamy journal cover from Arthur and Olive. And wilderness means starting new adventure this year, explore new places that I haven't been there before. And for the cover page, I use calendar from my Patreon page. And for those of you who don't know, I have a Patreon page, which is a crowdfunding site where you can join the club by choosing a tier. And you can pledge start from $1 tier until $10 tier, which has different benefits that you can see on the website. So if you're interested and want to support your favorite artist, go check patreon.com. And if you want to support me, you can check the description below and start to live creative with me. Next, I have my monthly log spread. I divided this monthly log spread into 3 parts, which are personal log, working, and tracker. I put important dates such as birthdays, meetups, local events, or vacation dates on the personal section, and I put launch date, published posts, meetings, and other work stuff on the working section. Then I have my tracker here to track my prayers and meditation, healthy morning and night routine, and basically you can put anything here that use 30 days to track to minimize the setup. This is another way to use the space concisely to track everything in one place. Next page, I have my monthly mood board, playlist, and things that I'm currently into this month, such as favorite YouTube channel, favorite podcast, favorite lunch or breakfast menu, and other things that I like basically. I prefer to use bullet journal in a fun way, using cut-out images and assemble into a collage spread. I love using ephemera and stickers to decorate my journal page, and this month I am so inspired by the dreamy nature and outdoor scenes during winter time. And I also want to incorporate the magical touch, so I combined woodlands animals and celestial for this month's theme. And if you want to get this kit, you can start to pledge the $5 tier, and you can get the journal kit, calendar, and wallpaper illustration every month, and other Patreon-only posts that you can check on the link down below. Also, I will link where you can get all the supplies that I use on this video, such as the timestamps, scissors, and the brass pens. Next, I have my first 2 weeks of January spread. I decided to make 2 weeks spread because I will leave for the New Year's holiday and I don't want to set up my week during the holidays, so I made it in advance to make it easier. I love using pre-made label for the day of the week to make it look clean and neat, but also looks colorful. Also for this month, I love using earthy tones to make me feel calm and relaxed in the middle of the chaotic holiday. And I really like how this spread turns out. It makes me feel excited to fill in the schedule and plan everything out. January 2020 setup. I really hope you find some inspiration how to set up your bullet journal, and also if this is your first time doing bullet journal and get confused of how this bullet journal works, put in the comment down below any questions, thoughts, and suggestions. And also let me know your theme for January, and you can tag me on Instagram at Seasonjours. And if you haven't followed me, you should, because I posted journal inspo and illustration there. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.